Welcome guys, I'm gonna make a coleslaw and these are the ingredients. First, this is a lettuce, cucumber, carrots, onion, and this is tuna, fresh fish tuna. And this is mustard. I will add mustard and this is dressing, Thousand Island dressing. I feel like this is really so delicious that I will make a coleslaw salad. Okay guys, just wait and see. So this is it guys. These are the carrots and pepino or cucumber that I slice into cubes. And this is the lettuce and the onion. I have already sliced it into cubes. And this is I opened the can of the century tuna. And this is my addition, the boiled egg. And of course, I already put like that so that it's easily get ano, matang maglabas or and then and also this, and I will add this ano the black pepper, I mean grind black pepper, and maybe I will put what the oh, I mean this one, the basil leaves. Look, this is really yummy guys. So let's begin guys. I'm gonna mix this everything guys. So see you on my next. I feel like the kids are very excited to see this, see my recipe. So let's try to put. So now guys, I'm gonna try to put this sauce. What is what we call mustard. So it's really yummy guys. Look. After this, I put this Thousand Island dressing. So let's put also this guys. Look, there are different colors, light orange and the darker one. So okay guys, that's all guys. I'm sure it's really yummy, and see you on my next video, or see you in this full continue video. I will continue this on the reel, so try to watch my reels so that you can see the result, the outcome. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys, I'm so excited to eat this, and so I'm sure it's really yummy. And this is the basil leaf. Look, that is the basil leaves. Looks yummy, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching.